In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture within your Gmail account. So assuming I'm on my Gmail and this is my profile picture, if you see it's just the default G, and I want to change it to my own picture or the logo of my company or something. So I can just go ahead and click on this and come to manage your account. Okay, so once you are here, you can come to personal info, and then you can come down here and you can click on this. This is where you change your profile picture. You can just click and then you can choose add a picture. You can click and then you can select from the available ones, or you can add from your computer. So let's say I have from my computer. You can take a photo if you want, but let's say I want to upload. I have something on my desktop called logo, and I can be able to insert it. And now you can crop and change the size into any section. And once you're done, you say OK to this, and you can say save this as your profile picture, and this is going to be automatically saved as your own profile picture. And once you refresh the page, you'll now see that you have this as your own profile picture. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.